Hi and welcome to this short screencast about how requests work on Wubbub. Okay, so every author when they share, or publisher when they share a book on Wubbub, have the option to make copies available for reviews or for feedback or just because they want to for free to users like yourself. So let's say you're cruising through our list of books and you find one that you like the look of. Let's say it's this book Migration, and you can see that the blue request book button is showing as highlighted. That means this author has some copies available. If they don't have copies available, this will be grayed out. So we're going to click on request book. Now, we've already requested it for this screencast, so it's telling us we've already requested it. If you've not, it'll say either this author is looking for reviews or feedback. Please make your feedback once you've read it, and then you'll click OK. And that is all you need to do to make a request. It'll send a notification to the author or publisher. If it's set to auto approve, then you'll get a notification straight away saying, hey, it's already done. It's in your reading lists. If it's not set to auto approve, then give it a little bit of time for the author or publisher to have a look. They'll approve it. And you'll see once you've made a request for a book, it'll show up in your My Requests panel in your home page. You can see that this one here is pending. We can cancel it if we've changed our mind and don't want it anymore. Once it's been approved, you'll get a notice and it'll turn up straight away in your reading lists. And that's all there is to it. Happy hunting.